Shark culling. Is killing our sharks protecting the people, or just impacting on our ocean's environmental sustainability? Our ocean's ecosystem is often described as a community, encompassed by a balance of living creatures and organisms. However, it's this balance of community, living creatures, and organisms that can be tipped, leading to serious environmental consequences and unsustainable populations of fish for our future. Leading our ocean's ecosystems balance is the 400 plus species of sharks sitting at the top of the oceanic food web. Sharks are at the top of the ocean's food chain and provide an important role. So the decrease in sharks through shark culling means that we will see populations of fish, such as tuna, explode. In turn, this could lead to diminished populations of even smaller fish and living organisms. It is these smaller creatures that feed on plants and algae, helping to maintain a healthy, sustainable ocean. Within the ocean's ecosystem lives many living creatures and organisms, all of which have their own role within the ocean's environment. Within this environment, everything relies on everything. According to the Australian Shark Attack File 2017, there were 19 attacks with one fatality within Australian waters. So with figures reflecting such low fatalities, why is there a need for shark culling? Do these statistics reflect the need to put our ocean's ecosystem at risk, harming and declining shark populations and marine ecosystems? Associate Professor Robert Day states that a shark's role is so tightly interwoven with the health of the ocean. If their numbers are reduced, everything goes out of balance. If society and governing bodies continue to allow and encourage the culling of sharks, the environmental sustainability of the ocean will be under immediate threat. This is largely due to the sharks being described as a relatively stable force in the ocean's ecosystem, who possess a unique combination of ecological traits. This is evident in Schetzer 2017 article, where he discusses how sharks regulate the behaviour of all creatures, preventing the overuse of all habitats lying beneath our oceans. Sharks are also known for their doctor-like ability, clearing the oceans of the diseased and weak fish, whilst at the same time creating a stronger gene pool for many species. How can we measure and monitor the impacts on shark culling through science? The National Centre for Ecological Analysis and Synthesis refers to the Ocean Health Index, which is used globally by marine biologists and is essentially a score system. This method allows data to be collected and synthesized into a point score system, with the ability to monitor certain areas of the ocean over several years. In conclusion, shark culling is affecting the ocean's environmental sustainability and destroying ecosystems. However, through education and inquiry, we may be able to protect both society and the ocean's ecosystem into the future.